What's good, BFM? This is Bigtone coming at you from Bigtone Productions, Beats and Feasts. Hey guys, it's Friday and I don't have to remind you of that, but it's time for another cooking video. So today, we're gonna do my version, yes, my version of McDonald's McRib. It's gonna be exactly the same. It's gonna have the sauce, the boneless rib, onions, and pickles on it, and it's gonna be wonderful, but it's gonna be a good McRib. I know some of you guys really like the McRib, but you're gonna love this one. So, if you like this video, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. And let's get started with McDonald's McRib. So here you go, I got my ribs outside. I put some rub on them last night so those rubs can really penetrate into the rib. Inside of my rub, I got a little bit of brown sugar, salt, pepper, seasoning salt, a little bit of garlic powder. That's all I put on it. On a little bit of smoked paprika. But those are the ribs. I'm gonna get them on the grill for you. And we're gonna try to keep these slow and low, probably about 3 hours. After the first 2 hours, I'll probably wrap them for an hour and throw a little bit of brown sugar and honey on them. Here we go, I got the ribs on the grill. Now I'm gonna try to maintain this temperature somewhere between 225, 250. Hopefully I can keep it there. But we're gonna do this slow and low for 3 hours. I got it on indirect heat, so it's not over top of the fire. So we're gonna try to smoke this thing and get you the McRib you're looking for. It's been on for a couple hours now, so I'm gonna wrap them, put a little honey and some brown sugar on the aluminum foil before I wrap them, and put them back on the grill for about an hour. You can see the bones are a little pulled back a little bit. The meat's pulled back off of the bone a little bit. We're gonna get that quite a bit more back. Here you are. I got a little my honey and brown sugar in the foil. I'm gonna put the ribs on top of it, wrap it up, and place it right back on the grill. Guys, so I almost forgot to show you one of my tricks that my dad showed me, rest in peace. But I'm gonna add a little bit of barbecue sauce to the belly of these ribs. Use your favorite barbecue sauce, whatever you like. And then my next trick is a little bit of beer. Now he always used Miller Genuine Draft, and that's what I'm using. Just a little bit in there, just to provide some moisture, guys. And we're gonna wrap them back up, throw it on the grill. All right, guys, all wrapped up, put back on the grill. And I'll leave these on for about an hour or so. And we'll take them off and see how we put this sandwich together. Alright guys, there's the ribs, the finished product off the grill. Look how the bones then pull back off of it. So my task now is try to get the bones out and take the bones out so we got a boneless rib. Alright guys, so as you can see, I've taken out most of the bones now. Fall off the bone, check them out over here. This just fall off the bone. So it takes a little bit just to get them out, but you see how this is just coming out. Look at that, fall off the bone guys, fall off the bone. So I'm just basically just prying them out. Sometimes you can pull them out, but this one's a little bit more stubborn, but this is definitely fall off the bone. This one's a tough one because it's the end bone. But you can see it there. There we go. Fall off the bone. So right now we got a boneless rib. And I'll be back in just a second to show you how I construct the sandwich. So I got one onion here. I'm just gonna slice up here in just a very somewhat thin slices. I may not even use half of this onion. Guys, so I got my loaf of bread here, so I'm just gonna simply cut this in half very carefully. There we go, look at that. Just pour on a little bit of barbecue sauce. You can use your favorite one. This is one of my favorites. And then I'm just gonna brush this on a little bit here. So add a little bit more. So I got my rib placed on here, my boneless rib. Remember this, I took the bones totally out of this. So you got a boneless rib slab just like McDonald's, Mickey D's. So I'm gonna pour a little bit of sauce over this. Put as much as you want on it. Make it as messy as you want to. This is your sandwich, not McDonald's. The only quality control you got is yourself. So I'm gonna mop this on a little bit. I'm spilling it everywhere. But I'm gonna mop this on. I like a little bit of sauce on mine. Alright, and then we're going to sprinkle some onions on it here. You know, the McDonald's sandwich got the onion on it. I don't like a lot of onion, but I do like a little bit here, so I'm going to put another little piece on here. Alright guys, what's the other thing that they have on the McDonald's sandwich? Pickle. Now they use dill pickle. I'm not going to use dill pickle. I'm going to use bread and butter pickle so it gives a little sweetness to it. Alright, and I'm going to add one more just because I want to. Alright, so there we go. We got our sandwich made. And put this in the sink there. And sometimes I will go ahead and put some barbecue sauce on the top layer, but I'm not going to in this case. I'm going to put the sandwich together, and I'll show you a finished product in just a second. Alright, BFM, there you go. Bigtone's version of the McRib. It is back. Go to your local McDonald's now. Alright, BFM, so there you go. Another perfection on the plate. Bigtone's version of the McRib. Like I said, go to your favorite McDonald's and request it. Anyway, guys, so if you like this video, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications so you know when a video is coming out. Hey, guys, this is Bigtone signing off. Peace.